This video covers the installation and configuration of the SmokeSight wired and wireless alarm, SS10MAMA. Once you have determined your smoke alarm locations, fix the mounting base, using 8-gauge or 4mm countersunk screws, and suitable anchors. For plaster, we recommend screw anchors, while for masonry, use plug anchors. Next, insert the AA batteries, both in the same direction, into the warning battery removed bay of the smoke alarm. The dip switches configure the major features. Switch 1 controls the wireless interconnect feature, while switch 2 controls the auto test feature. Both of these features are enabled by default. Before commencing the wireless setup, place all of your smoke alarms and their batteries on a table. Insert the AA batteries, both in the same direction, into the option bay of the first smoke alarm. The alarm will enter build radio network, listening mode. It will listen for a SmokeSight network in build radio network mode, for 30 seconds. During this time, if no alarm in build radio network mode is detected, this alarm will become the network master. Its white LED will flash and beep, for 3 seconds. This master is now in build radio network mode. It will listen for slave alarms to join the network, for 2 minutes. Insert the batteries into the option bay of the second smoke alarm. This alarm will enter build radio network, listening mode. Again, it will listen for a SmokeSight network in build radio network mode. Once the alarm has detected the master in build radio network mode, it will become a network slave. Its white LED will flash and beep, for 1 second. This slave is now also in build radio network mode. It will listen for additional slave alarms to join the network, for 2 minutes. Repeat the previous steps to add your remaining slave alarms. Once completed, tap on any alarm to exit build radio network mode on all alarms, or simply wait for 2 minutes. Wireless network setup is now complete. The auto test was also configured by inserting the option bay batteries. By default, the auto test will activate in 2 weeks, from the date and time of power up. You can change this though. Note that to pass auto test, the alarm must be attached to the installed mounting base. Test the smoke alarm by pressing the test button to confirm sounder operation and red LED flashing. Test the interconnect by pressing the test button on one alarm to confirm sounder operation on the other network alarms. To help you locate the originating alarm, only its red LED will flash. Attach the smoke alarm onto the installed mounting base. If the mounting base is powered, the green LED will be illuminated. Test the wired interconnect to confirm sounder operation on the other wired alarms. Again, only the originating alarm's red LED will flash. That completes the configuration of the SmokeSight alarm. Make sure you subscribe to the Red Busbar channel and activate the notification bell. For more information, please visit smokesight.com.